It's been a week he hasn't been seeing his mom. Every now and then, he tries to jump over the fence, but to no avail. Here's the story of Oliver, the dog with a short tail. Oliver misses his mom. Oliver's mother lives next door. Her name is Kiwi. Kiwi is a jumper. Jumping on a wall as high as 3 feet is easy as pie to her. When she wants to see Oliver, she jumps over a wall that separates them. Oliver, on the other hand, has short legs. He's the only one among the siblings who can't jump high. But now that Kiwi is eating for two, she is prevented for a while to jump over the wall. She is prevented to play with her pups. Oliver starts to miss her. Sometimes he gets out of the garage to see if his mom pops in. It's been a week he hasn't been seeing his mom. Every now and then, he tries to jump over the fence, but to no avail. Oliver is getting desperate. He doesn't care to eat and he doesn't want to get in the house. He just wants to go over the fence and see his mom. The next day, he sits on the floor, facing the wall. He seems to be thinking. Later, his eyes go wide open. He sees a stool near the fence. And then, idea hits on. First, he walks around the stool. Then he stands on it. He tries to lean his front legs on the fence, but the stool is a few inches far, so he can't reach it. He hops down and stares at the stool. Next, with his head, he pushes the stool towards the fence. After that, he again stands on the stool with his back legs and leans with his front legs on the fence. He suddenly becomes excited. He can see over the fence now. He jumps and jumps, checking if he will be able to see his mom. And when he didn't see her, he goes down the stool, pauses for a few minutes, then suddenly jumps on the stool, leaps over the fence, and he does it. Oliver has finally able to jump over the fence. He will finally see his mom. Oliver is in seventh heaven. The end. Jumping on a wall as high as 3 feet is easy as pie to her.
Easy as pie, an idiomatic expression. It means extremely easy, simple, or intuitive, requiring very little skill or effort. How to use. It is used as an adjective. It is used to describe a noun, more oftentimes a gerund. A gerund is a word derived from a verb, but in English is used as a noun. It ends in ing. Example: jumping on a high fence is easy as pie to Kiwi. Jumping is an example of a gerund. Jumping is used as a noun in the sentence and not a verb. This idiom is sometimes used with as in the beginning of the phrase. More example: Diana thinks that driving a bike is as easy as pie. The game was easy as pie. Question: what can you do that is as easy as pie?
Oliver, on the other hand, has short legs. He's the only one among the siblings who can't jump high.
On the other hand, an idiom, and it means from a different or contradictory point of view. Its synonyms are however, on the contrary, in contrast. Oliver's mother can jump so high. On the other hand, Oliver can't. Oliver has short legs. If we're going to use the synonym however instead of on the other hand, it's like Kiwi is a jumper, however, Oliver isn't. How to use. This phrase is used to introduce an alternative view. That's why oftentimes we see it in the beginning of a sentence, right after the sentence it opposed. More example: we can't invite more guests. On the other hand, maybe we can. Some invited guests might not attend anyway. This shirt looks nice on you. On the other hand, that one looks better.
But now that Kiwi is eating for two, she is prevented for a while to jump over the wall.
Eating for two. An idiom. It is a popular term for a pregnant woman. It means to be pregnant. It's referring to the eating habit of a pregnant woman who is said to be eating for two people. Some people are not comfortable using the term pregnant. Kiwi is eating for two. In other words, Kiwi is pregnant. How to use. Don't mistake this expression to a verb. It is used as an adjective to describe the condition of a woman. More example: you need to take it easy. You're eating for two. I wasn't sure if she's just fat or eating for two.
Oliver starts to miss her. Sometimes he gets out of the garage to see if his mom pops in.
Pop in is a phrasal verb. It means to visit briefly. If you pop into a place, you visit for a very short time, usually for some purpose. Oliver gets out of the garage to see if his mom pops in. Oliver gets out of the garage to see if his mom visits. How to use. This expression is used as a verb in a sentence. In present simple tense, pop in or pops in. In past simple, popped in. In progressive, popping in. And in future tense, will pop in. More example. Why is that guy popping in and popping in? I just popped in to see your new car.
It's been a week he hasn't been seeing his mom. Every now and then, he tries to jump over the fence, but to no avail.
To no avail is an idiom and a cliche. It means with no effect or unsuccessful. Oliver tries to jump over the fence, but to no avail. Or you can say it this way: Oliver tries to jump over the fence, but unsuccessful. How to use. Though it is used as an adjective, this expression cannot be used to a person or thing per se, unless you want to say that something has no advantage. For example, he is to no avail. This sentence doesn't make sense. It is used to describe a particular task or effort that hasn't been successful. More example. This electric fan has little or no avail. It means that this electric fan has no use or advantage.
He sees a stool near the fence. And then, idea hits on. Hit on something is a phrasal verb. It's to discover or realize something. To think of an idea when you didn't expect or intend to, especially one that solves a problem. How to use. It is used as a verb in a sentence. Example, Oliver hits on an idea on how to get to the other side of the fence. Note, hit on someone has a very different meaning. So be careful of using hit on when directing a person. More example. Our boss hit on a machine that would dissolve plastic. There is no way she's going to hit on the solution to this. Oliver is in seventh heaven. Seventh heaven. It's an idiom. It's in a state of bliss or extreme happiness. To be in seventh heaven is to experience ultimate bliss. After everything that Oliver has been through to see his mother, in the end, he is successful and is in seventh heaven. In other words, he is in extreme happiness. How to use. Seventh heaven is used as a noun, meaning it can be used as a subject in a sentence or a subjective complement. More example. Seventh heaven has come upon me after giving birth to my child. In this sentence, it is used as a subject. Oliver is in seventh heaven. In this sentence, it is used as a subjective complement.
enjoy the story? Well, if you did, click the like button. And if you want to see more of Oliver's stories and learn more English expressions, then I suggest you click the subscribe button too. And next to it is the bell button. Click that and you'll receive notice every time I have a new published video. Thanks guys, and see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.